Hello, guys. Good evening from Portugal. Hola. Boa noite. Okay, so today I have 20 euro session. 20 euro. Vamos começar. Let's start. Ruby 7. I have ticket number 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, outside Portugal. Matching numbers. And the symbol Ruby 7. We win 7 times the price shown. Set versus. If we uncover this symbol, Ruby gana todos os 15 premios. It's a win all. And if we uncover the star symbol to win 20. Can I use my countryman, my kabayan in we're looking for Strela. First scratch! It's a winner! Wow! 20 euro win is Strela. It's a winner, guys. Strela. Wow! What a good start, guys. So we're looking for 29, 40, 13, 23. 22, ticket number 8, guys. 38, 15, 26, 32. What a good start. 20 euro. I got all my money already. Any win in this game? It's a lucro. 11, 43, 41, 21, 28, 29, 30, 25. So I think I only found the Strela. So si encontrar o símbolo Strela, gana de inmediato 20. So if we uncover the symbol star, we win 20 euro automatically. So it's a 20 euro win, guys. Nice. Okay, let's 8. Let's go to ticket number 9. Let's open Strela otra vez, no? Okay, so we're looking for 11, 34, 14, 44, 19, 18, 39, 36, 29, 23, 31, 33, 41, backwards, 42, 40, 16, 32, 24 y 15. So I think this is not a winner. No, ticket number 9. Let's go to ticket number 10. Strela. No, esa muy dos. Looking for 29, 23, 31, 34, 20s and 30s. 33, 30, 40, 41, 12, 18, 45, give me all the 40s, 32, 28, 14, 42, 25, 16, 36. Nada. Okay, ticket number 10. The last one. Let's hope this is a winner. Strela. No, it's not Strela. Okay. We're looking for 31, 40, 18, 34, 32, 28, 19, 18, 42, 23. Give me one more win. 22, 12, 14, 33, 34, 36. Last 5 numbers. ¡Ay! ¡Lucro! 34, Sa lucro, guys. Found a match. 11, 24, 13, backwards, y 39. I found 34. Let's hope this is a good win. Ah, 5. Okay, not bad, guys. 5 is not bad. So it's 5 euro lucro. What's the lottery code of 20? I want to know. L. Okay. Okay. L is 20. Z for 5. Okay, so not bad, guys. I scratched so fast, so I should made the video 1 hour. Talk bullshit. Okay, so lucro 5 euro, guys. Okay, so 25. Gaste 20, gane 25. Okay, I have 5 euro to buy coffee and pound the juice. Okay, because I'm a sinner, I need a pound the juice. The bread of God. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.